Would you take 100 for all of it?
Let me.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. I know I'm a little early. Is it?
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Wow. That's cool.
Thank you.
What's the best you would do on that drone?
Go down to 30. The two game consoles that are in bubble wrap there, they have been tested and worked.
Okay.
The one in the middle, he said power's on, but he
Doesn't know if it.
doesn't know
Yeah.
if it'll actually.
Which series are they? The bubble wrapped ones. Do you know? I don't want to open them up if they're. Okay.
And then the 3 controllers on the front, these have been tested. That one has not.
Okay. Oh, please. I think they're all 3s. I wonder if it's just the size of the. And then how much on the games?
Games are $2 a game.
Okay.
So you can just leave that off.
Oh, okay. I was like, if you want protection, I'll leave it on there.
Maybe a bit later. Okay.
It's gonna be a beast.
Yeah. That's why it's here.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a
Good luck with the
good
rest.
day. Thank you.
So, 8. And the controllers were?
$5 for the front 3. Those are working. $2 for the one that is unsure.
Okay. So for 2 controllers, all the games, and for all 3 systems, that's 100. I think there's 8 games. Yeah. No. 9 games. 18. And then another 10. 29. Would you take 100 for all of it?
Let me call and ask.
Okay. Because I'd be willing to take all of that, but I don't really need it. But do you ever need anything?
Okay, so for 3 classes, 9 games, and then is it 2 controllers or all?
Yeah, no, just the 2 Sony.
2 Sony controllers. Would you take 100 for all of that? In games. 9 games. Okay, yeah, he'll do 100.
100? Okay.
All
Let me
right,
just,
sounds good.
let me make sure all the, I'm pretty sure they're all here, but
Honestly,
always
I haven't
look.
even checked them.
Oh.
It's on him.
Husband stuff?
He was asking me questions about it. I was like, I have no idea. I'm not a gamer. I know nothing.
I'm not either, but like my daughter, well, my youngest daughter, my oldest was big, but my youngest one's kind of,
Yeah.
but she's more into the older stuff. So I'm
Okay.
constantly looking for like
Yeah.
older Nintendos or Segas or 64s or
Yes.
any of that stuff. And it's harder and harder to
I wish
find.
I still had my 64.
You know, and that's,
Tell you what happened to it.
if you had one, I'm telling you, that's like so sought after right now. Oh wait, that's a movie. I think I added a movie in there. Hold on. Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was right. 8 games. 9 was a movie. Okay.
There you
So I'm
go.
gonna do that. What size are these? 13. I like those. I'm gonna look around at everything else. If you have a bag or a box or something, yeah, that'd be cool. Oh, and then that Budweiser, or not Budweiser, the beer sign, the flag.
Dude, $2.
Okay. I just think that's cool. Okay. Yes. I'll just grab 2 pairs of shorts and a shirt.
Yeah,
From there, too.
2 shorts and a hat.
Yeah, from that. Now you know. Oh. Okay, I'll do these 2.
Alright.
So there's 2 for $1, I guess.
Oh, yeah, sounds good.
I mean, let me see how many's in here. It says 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And
I don't even know what that is.
it's like
Coasters?
old coasters.
You don't want them? Or you can have them if you really want them. They're free.
We
Didn't
do
know those were-
$5 for all those. If it's 2 for,
Fine.
okay. Trying to clean some of your stuff out, huh?
Yeah.
Bring it home to my house where my husband will not be happy, but you know what?
Yeah.
It is what it is. He'll get over it. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so where am I at with you?
I have 100 for the consoles, not 8 games, and 2 Sony controllers. The beer sign $2, so 2 shorts, 4 hot, 110.
110. Beauty. There's 100. And you said 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have change?
Yes, I did.
I have another 20, so.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome.
Have a good rest of your
You
day.
too. Thank you. Good luck on your sale.
Thank you.
Oh, 50 centavos. Thank you guys.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Brenda, los cuadros. ¿De cuánto los vende?
Oh, tienen diferentes. Este a 10 y estos a 20 cada uno. Sí, están bonitos. No sé, tendría de color, pero están bien pesados.
¿Están pesados?
Sí.
Los ponen a vender en Afro.
Hi, how are you? Good so far.
Nice day today, at least.
It was cool this morning, so I'm like, "Ah, how much are you on the games?"
Brenda, how much is the games?
Okay,
Oh, my God.
Well, that's no good when
yeah.
when they say that.
No, he actually was. Sí, ajá. 10 y 10 por cada. Okay, that's it.
That's no good when they say.
4 each.
Okay. Yeah. How much on the controllers?
Those, I'm not sure, like everything, so I'll give her $2.
Like I only need,
No, okay.
like I like these two,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
that would be it. Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna pass on the games though. And then these were in there too.
I don't know what that is. $1 each.
They're for music,
Oh yeah.
like
for that,
tuners
yeah,
or whatever. Okay.
No, $1 each.
Okay. So 4, and then what did you want for
$1.
this? And then the little perfumes.
So this was 2 each.
Okay.
And
4.
then 6, 7.
Okay.
And then, ¿cuánto sus... ¿Le dijo? ¿Estos dos perfumes? ¿Estos dos perfumes? Okay, so 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 altogether?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
Pues no fue shopping primero. No fue shopping.
She goes, I didn't see those.
Ya le ganó.
Y estando aquí,
A ver.
Ay,
No
no.
pone atención.
yo también cuando pongo y además cuñadas llevan ya cuando salen.
Ese me gustaba.
It's 10. Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, 3. You need a...
Hey, I've already bought it, so I'm allowed to break it now.
you.
Appreciate it, honey. Thank
you.
y'all.
Oh, those lines right there.
I'm like taking stuff out of the box. Babe, are there any more packages in that stuff? And you don't scrapbook. Darn. Oh, yep. Those, yes.
I need craft brown.
Craft brown. Don't have craft brown.
Okay.
I do not.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
I hope y'all have a wonderful sale.
Thank you so much. You have yourself a blessed day.
Yeah, you too.
That's so cute.
Oh, there's plus size clothes right there too.
Oh,
Those
okay.
are all mine. I just pull them all out.
Okay,
And then there's all these are like teenagers, like my daughters.
cool.
So
Yeah, that's usually what I look for is for my kids. So,
yeah.
you know.
They grow out of them too fast. And like I gotta tell my other lady, most of that stuff had been worn maybe once.
I mean,
My daughters are so picky.
yeah.
Get your phone right now.
Oh, pick it
You're gonna sell your phone.
Yeah, it ain't yours. That's the problem.
It has to stay on this side of the garage, baby.
5 finger discounts. Those things.
Doo-doo.
Yeah, we sold one category. We owe you $1. Bought you cups. You want to make that money, you better hustle. But I know. Okay, we're gonna go in our room and get those orange boxes. The blenders and stuff that gave me my real deal thing. And somewhere in our closet there's all about the baby stuff
How much you asking on your DVDs and
$1
stuff?
each.
$1?
Yeah, $1.
Cool.
And then the other one has hold on it. Go get longer shorts on, please, so it looks like you're naked. You gotta like get super cute, like super cute. Like piggy tails or something that you'd be like, can you please sell my lemonade? No. Well, then you're not gonna sell any. Ask this lady right here. They have people only come to buy lemonade from like little bitty cute adorable children. We have you a tent set up out there and everything.
If I had them in there,
Aw.
I would dying from me.
We got you a tent set up out there. All we gotta do is get you 5.
Oh, yeah, I've got two. I don't know what you guys had on the clothes.
$1
For the clothes. Okay, so, and then I was going to get, let's see, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So, yeah, that works. How much you asking on the inflator?
Oh, like $7, $8.
Okay,
It doesn't come with the battery. It's just the tool.
just the tool.
Yeah,
Okay,
so,
got it.
Yeah.
Cool.
But if you already own those, then it's great.
No, I always look for that stuff for,
Yeah, somebody got it and
My
thought they were giving me
husband.
one, and I was like, oh, that's cool. And
but no battery.
yeah, I'm like, oh.
Like, what am I gonna use this for? That's cool. What about your speakers?
I think they're 10, 15 bucks. Yeah, they've never been used. But my son tried to put them in his car, and then he was like, oh no, we got the wrong size.
Whoops.
Well, he bought them at a garage sale too. So,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So we even opened them up to make sure and everything else, and yeah, I was like, oh.
And the clothes. Will you work with me?
You want this?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay, so let's go 7 for this then.
Okay.
You want 2 for that? And what did we say? There was 12 in here or something like that. So 10?
10. Sure.
Okay.
Works for me.
So
You want to do, can we do 15 for everything?
sure.
Okay.
That's fine.
You got change?
Sure.
Alrighty. Well, good luck on the rest of your sale. But I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
everything's half off. Would you like a shopping bag?
Yay. Oh, yes, sure.
I'm checking around, then I'll get you next.
A lot of nothing in here. I'd like a garage that big though.
Look at this garage. Look at it. The size of it.
Swanstead. Oh, yeah, my father-in-law has a steel company here.